Today we will see another important and interesting topic, skin grafting. Few points. Skin is the best possible dressing for a raw surface in extensive raw wounds. Example, trauma and burns. Contracted scar in the vicinity of joints require excision and grafting. Skin loss from surgically removed malignant growths should be made good with immediate skin cover. Introduction. A skin graft is a sheet of skin, that is epidermis, and varying amounts of dermis, that is detached from its own blood supply and placed in a new area of the body. It provides permanent skin replacement which is supple, sensate and durable. Functional benefits, biologic cover, thermoregulation, identity and beauty. Types of skin grafts. According to the donor site, it's of 4 types. They are autografts, isografts, allografts and xenografts. The types according to the elements used in skin grafting are split thickness skin grafting STSG, full thickness skin grafting FTSG, composite graft which include 2 tissue elements, artificial skin graft, pinch skin graft and pedicle skin graft. First we will see autografts. In this type, skin graft is obtained from another part of our body that is undamaged and healthy. In this, the donor site will be on the same individual where the grafting should be done. In this type of grafts, there won't be any transplant rejection. Next is isografts. It is a graft of tissue between two individuals who are genetically identical. Transplant rejection between such two individuals never occur. Example, identical twins. Allografts. In this type, the skin graft is obtained from a donor who is of the same species as the recipient but not genetically identical. Allograft is usually used as a temporary skin grafting. Xenografts. Skin graft obtained from an animal, usually pig, are called xenograft. It is usually used as a temporary skin graft. This picture will help us to understand the 4 types in detail. Autograft, that is from one part of the body to another part. Example, from trunk to arm. Isograft. Isograft is done between genetically identical individuals. Example, monozygotic twins. Allograft. It occurs between different members of the same species. That is from man to man. Xenograft. It's done between members of different species. Example, monkey to man. Split thickness skin grafting STSG. This type of skin graft involves using the superficial layer, that is the epidermis, and a small portion of the dermis. Full thickness skin grafting FTSG. This type of skin graft involves both layers of skin, that is epidermis and dermis. Composite graft. 2 tissue elements are used. This type of skin graft involves a combination of tissues, that is skin and either fat or cartilage or only dermis and fat. Artificial skin graft. This type of skin graft consists of a synthetic epidermis and a collagen-based dermis whose fibers are arranged in a lattice. Pinch skin graft. Small, about 1/4 inch piece of skin are placed to cover the damaged skin on the donor site. The pinch skin grafts usually grow in areas of poor blood supply and resist infection. Pedicle skin graft. The skin graft from the donor site will remain attached to the recipient site. The blood supply remains intact at the donor location and is not cut loose until the new blood supply has completely developed. Pedicle skin grafts are also known as flap skin grafts. This is a picture showing pedicle skin graft. These are few pictures of skin graft. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.